Okay, so this is day 3. Day 1 we did the masking technique. Day 2 we did the wash technique. And today we're going to do a glazing technique. So glazing, if you look at the water close up in your sailboat picture, you'll see that it has almost an orange layer and then a blue layer of kind of ripply water and waves going over it. So the glazing technique allows you to put one color down, let it dry, and then put another color on top of it. So it's kind of what I saw in the water. So we're going to start, if you remember, the wash technique made it so that there was no brush strokes. It was very smooth. If you look at the water though, you'll see it's okay to have brush strokes. So this was a wet on wet technique. So we put wet paint on wet paper. Now the paper is dry, so we're gonna do a wet on dry technique. And it's okay if we get a little bit of brush strokes because that's what the area of the painting is calling for. Those waves, those little tiny ripples look like they have a little texture to them, so it's all right. So a little less pigment than we used yesterday because we don't have that water on the paper. And I'm gonna just sort of paint the water, but I'm going to do it sort of skipping around so I get the lines of the water and a little bit of the reflection that I'm seeing in the water there. So you can see the white spots are looking like the sun hitting the water and glistening, and the orange parts will take on the orange of the water. I just have to let that dry for a minute. And then I'll be right back.